Hello guys, welcome back to Artificial and Facts. In this video, we will discuss about the implementation of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia. So, before we started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel. What exactly is meant by Industry 4.0? The Industrial Revolution 4.0, or also commonly known as the cyber physical system, itself is a phenomenon where there is collaboration between cyber technology and automation technology. With this revolution itself brings many changes in various sectors as in the beginning. Many companies need large number of workers. Now they can be replaced by the use of technology machines. The Industrial Revolution 4.0, or what is often referred to as the cyber physical system, is a revolution that focuses on the automation and collaboration between cyber technologies. The 4.0 revolution itself emerged in the 21st century, with the main feature being the incorporation of information and communication technology into the industrial sector. Type of technology in Industry 4.0. The first is Internet of Things, or IoT. Is a concept where an object has the ability to be able to transfer existing data through a network without the need of human interaction. Second is Big Data. Big Data is a term used to describe large volume of data. Both is structured and unstructured data. The third is Augmented Reality. Is a technology that combines two-dimensional virtual world objects with existing three-dimensional objects into a real environment, then project these virtual objects into real time. The fourth is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, which is a form of effort to protect all information held from cyber attacks. Fifth, artificial intelligence, or AI, is a form of computer technology or machine that has intelligence like human. Sixth, additive manufacturing is a new breakthrough in the manufacturing industry and is often known to use 3D printers. 7. Simulation is a representative form of operation from time to time. The 8 is system integration. Is a liaison between several systems, both physically and functionally. And the 9th, cloud computing, is a technology that makes the internet today a center of data and application management. With this cloud computing, computer users are given access rights to be able to enter virtual server that can be used as a server configuration via the internet. Now we move to implementation of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia economy. The government is optimistic that the implementation of Industry 4.0 can realize the big vision of making Indonesia part of the 10 countries that have the strongest economy in the world by 2030. This aspiration contained in the Making Indonesia 4.0 roadmap, as stated by President Joko Widodo at the opening of the Hanover Messe 2021 digital edition, that the progress of Industry 4.0 will make Indonesia a top 10 global economy in 2023. Example of the application of Industry 4.0 in Indonesia itself can be found in the various industries such as textiles, automotive, electronics, chemicals, and also food and beverage. The aim of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 program is to push the Indonesian economy into the top 10 in the world by 2030 by increasing exporting activities. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is a transformation effort towards improvement by integrating the online world and production line in the industry, where all production processes run with the internet as the main support, said Erlangga. Erlangga also said that number of national industrial sectors were ready to enter the Industry 4.0 era. Some of these include the cement, petrochemicals, automotive, and food and beverage industries. There are 5 main technologies that support the development of Industry 4.0 system in Indonesia. They are Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, human-machine interface, robotic and sensor technology, and 3D printing technology. The 5 main technologies are starting to be applied in Indonesia. Some companies have been able to make advantage of the 5 main technologies from Industry 4.0 in their entire industrial value chain. Meanwhile, MSMEs or UMKM sector generally only applies 1 or 2 technologies in the production and marketing processes, so it cannot be called Industry 4.0. Here the company that have applied Industry 4.0. For the food and beverage industry sector, PT Indolacto. For the chemical industry sector, PT Pupuk Kaltim. For the textile industry sector, PT Pan Brothers. For the automotive industry sector, PT Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia. And for the electronics industry sector, PT Hartono Palace of Technology or Polisron. And the next, the MSME that use one of the industrial technologies 4.0. For example, MSMEs that marketed their products through e-commerce and marketplace applications. In this case, the application of Industry 4.0 technology aim to facilitate work and reduce production costs. Industrial Revolution 4.0 increases economic independence. It can be seen in this conventional transportation model, which was used by the community for the benefit of human mobility. But in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era, this conventional transportation model is not used by the community. The transportation model in the 4.0 era, such as Gojek. Gojek have a positive impact on the Indonesia economy because it have a direct or indirect social and economic impact generated by Gojek on the Indonesian economy. Also has an impact on the national economy and society, driver partners, MSMEs partners, and from the consumer side. The other benefits of applying the Industry 4.0 concept. Revolution 4.0 has the potential to empower individuals and communities, creating new opportunities for economic, social, and personal development. Facilitate human work, especially in industrial activities. For example, the robot to manage the human work. Data and production facilities connected to cloud computing that ensure better data security, organized and concise. The possibility of human error is reduced because the computer that is controlled can produce consistent work. Many businesses can increase the revenue, market share, and profits. and all can be controlled in real time using the technologies. And now we move to the disadvantage of implementing Industry 4.0. The first is the possibility of reducing the need for human labor in industrial processes, because everything is done automatically by machines. The issue of data security is increasing with the integration of new systems and the increasing number of accesses to those systems. It's easier to know privacy. This privacy relates to production and ownership information. Requires strict control from humans during the production process, because there is no and there will never be AI intelligence that is able to beat human intelligence that God has given. The things to do to face the challenge of Industry 4.0 in the economy. The first is increase human source capacity. The second is improve quality standards. The third is build competitiveness. And the most importantly, a change in mindset. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 has characteristics that emphasize innovation, creativity, leadership, and entrepreneurship. Change itself is a part of management. Every leader or top management is measured its success from its ability to predict change and make to change into potential. In order to increase readiness to face the Industrial Era 4.0, collaborative collaboration involving several stakeholders, starting from a government institution, association and industry players, to elements of academia are also important to implement. Furthermore, it will return to the community whether to follow the change or be displaced by those who are more ready to face change. The conclusion. The implementation of AR 4.0 in Indonesia has a positive impact because it has succeeded in increasing economic independence, and this will continue to be developed in order to compete with other countries and also to target the Indonesian economy into the top 10 in the world by 2030. AR 4.0 empowers the role of digitizing manufacturing and supply networks, involving the integration of digital information from multiple sources and locations to physically drive manufacturing and distributions. And there are 5 main AR 4.0 technologies, namely artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, human-machine interface, advanced robotic, and 3D printing. Each technology component has been utilized in industry and manufacturing in Indonesia. So that's it for our discussion today. Hope you guys enjoy the video and see you